Coach, on record yung sinabi mo, hindi, joke.
Okay lang, coach. Okay lang, coach. Okay lang.
Yun ang tanong ng lahat eh. Sino pipili?
Kung sino? Nagdi-decision pa kami. Pinag-usapan namin ni Boss Jacob, pinag-offer siya. Coach sino. But probably we're going to look for a player who is versatile enough na sa kulang namin sa, especially sa depensa. Butas namin talaga skipping. Kulang kami sa malaki. And at the same time, firepower, kulang din sa offense. So, sino man yun, yun ang decision ng management and the coaching staff.
Coach, how do you like itong field na to with the Baltasar, Bearfield, with the Balungay? How do you like yung pagpipilian nyo?
1 month before the deadline, natin boring yung drafting eh. And after a week, yung last week, all of a sudden, everything became interesting because of yung mga humabol na mga magagaling na mga players. Akala nga natin hindi malalim. Pero dumating na yun sa Bearfield, sa Poli, mga expected, biglang naging malalim yung pool.
So, coach, masasabi nyo, kumbaga parang dati, parang dating na kayo kay Buddy. Pero nung dumating na yung nasabi nyo other day, nasabi nyo,
Well, mahirap kasi makapaisip ka eh. And may mga players na nasa pool na not every year isasali or not every batch may mga players. May mga players dito na pwede mong gawing foundation or haligi ng program eh. May mga players dito na they'll be good for 5 to 7 years magiging competitive yung program mo as long as you get them.
coach, tingin mo ba kasi marami rin nata kayong second round, tama ba? So, tingin mo ba may makukuha pa kayong quality by that time because of the depth of the draft?
May mga aabot doon. And may mga players kasi na during their college years, and especially when it was combine, minsan hindi makikita eh. And pag sampa nila sa pro, all of a sudden, biglang nag-i-improve. So, di natin masabi.
Without mentioning names, mga ilan sa katab nyo?
Well, depende doon sa draft namin. Madami kami second round. Of course, we're going to use them. But, mag-depende kung sino available pa dun sa second round.
Okay, sa number 1 pick, nasa ilang, without mentioning names, nasa ilan?
Ilan yung
Nasa radar nyo?
nasa radar namin? 3 to 4 players. Nandun sa first round na pwede namin mag-isip.
Pero do you think between the next 2 days, makabawasan na yun?
Probably.